Now this easy salsa is cool and refreshing, but it does pack some heat from the jalapeno. If you really want it to have some more heat, add more of the seeds. Let me show you how. We'll start by removing the stem end, and we'll cut it in half. Then we'll take a paring knife, and we'll scrape out the inner ribs and seeds. It's the seeds that hold the heat. If you want your salsa to not be very hot, don't add any seeds at all. Add more seeds, you got some heat coming. Whenever you cut a pepper, the shiny side should always be facing down. We'll make a real thin julienne slice, and we'll turn and make a very small fine dice. And we'll add it to a ramekin, and of course, some heat. All right, next we're going to dice up some watermelon, and it's very important that you get this into a small dice so they'll fit on your chip. And we'll add them to our mixing bowl. For the yellow pepper, we'll remove about 1/4 of it. We'll place the shiny side down and get a nice julienne slice, real thin. And we'll turn and do a fine dice. And we'll add it to the bowl. For the green onions, remove the hairy ends. We'll slice once on each. Make it a fine dice. Now we're going to add our jalapeno and some seeds, and we'll roll a lime. We'll cut it in half, check for seeds, and juice it in. Now we're going to be using some fresh cilantro, so make sure you soak it in a bowl of cold water to get those sand particles out of there first. Now we're going to pop off the leaves, but leave the stems behind because they're kind of bitter and tough. We'll give it a quick chop. We'll add it to our salsa. And we'll toss to combine.